Because of the international withdrawal from Afghanistan for the U.S. and for its European allies, the conversation has completely changed. They say, since we couldn't do anything for them over there, since we couldn't spread democracy, and since we couldn't build them schools because they kept getting blown up, now we have to see how many of them we can help over here, how many of the people from over there we can bring over here. And according to a new analysis, because of the pullout, because we are seeing our European allies close all of their embassies, completely shut down shop, bringing all the people they had over there back home with them, and we're doing the same. We're going to talk about that in a moment. Because of this withdrawal, according to a new analysis, they're saying that as many as 3 to 5 million refugees from Afghanistan could be resettled in Europe alone within the next couple of months. They're talking about hundreds of thousands coming here to the United States of America. A lot of them are going to be your new neighbors, new Americans, as they say, and hundreds of thousands being resettled in Canada. Of course, how can I forget our greatest ally in the Middle East taking a sum total of 0, just as they have after every other war in the Middle East, taking 0 refugees. Of course, Europe and America and Canada and Australia and every other European and majority country has to take every single one of these refugees